put a bag on your radiator, and the air will be cleaner than ever. Radiators rarely get thoroughly cleaned, which is a mistake since they collect a lot of dust that later spreads into the air. This is especially harmful to allergy sufferers. Narrow gaps and limited space between the radiator and the wall make cleaning difficult, but it's worth doing regularly to prevent health issues. Luckily, there's a quick and effective way to remove dust from inside the radiator without even taking off the cover. All you need is a trash bag and a hairdryer. First, make sure the radiator is cool. Then, attach a trash bag to the bottom of the radiator using tape. Poke a few small holes in the bag with a needle. This is crucial to prevent the plastic from melting. Now, turn your hairdryer to maximum power and direct the airflow from the top of the radiator. The dust will be blown out and trapped in the bag instead of spreading into the room. With this simple trick, your radiator will not only look cleaner, but also work more efficiently.